Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to show you my cube collection from all my cubing. So this is it. I don't spin bad. Don't spin terrible. The 2x2. Let's get you up here, bud. Wherever the camera is. Oh, it's right here. So this doesn't spin that bad. I mean, I'm doing this in my room, so. It doesn't spin bad. I mean, it's loose as heck. But it doesn't spin bad. I mean, I can't see it spins bad, but. It's loose as heck, though. So, it's like loose as heck. So, then I got my pyramids. Get up in here. So the pyramids is one of my favorite. It's really nice. I love playing with it. It spins pretty nice. Then we got my 4x4. Oh dang it! Sorry guys, I covered the screen with my magnet. Sorry, but I got my 4x4. Get in here. Okay, so it's pretty nice. I just got it a couple minutes ago. It's in good shape. Of course it is. Why would I say that? Sorry, I am crazy today. It's been a really just kidding. It's a great day today. Let's go raid. Why, Raid? You ruined all my stuff. Hate you, Raid. Why do you so much cry? Why does the world cry so much? I mean, it's pretty nice. It hasn't been bad. Can you get this is cute? It's a memory maze, it says. And we got my 3x3. It's pretty nice if you can see in there. Also with my 2x2, it's really nice. It spins pretty nice, if you can see that. Look. So I just keep spinning it, and I hit the like button if you think Rubik's cubes are smoothing sometimes. I can't solve the whole entire thing, but I can solve one side. I'm a god at that, but it's like impossible to me to solve the whole thing. Let's get my hexagon cube. I don't know what the heck it's called, but it's crazy, this thing. I just got it, so I shouldn't be that good at it. I am really good at it. I forgot where my camera is. So, for my tablet I pointed it at the ground, this thing. Thing doesn't deserve to be on the ground. Are you crazy? Yeah, you're going to be like that in the comments, I know. My videos even have comments. I don't think they do, at least, because they think I'm child appropriate. I don't want to be child appropriate. I want to be gross. Just kidding, I want to be child appropriate for you kids out there in the world. If anybody noticed, kids are good things. You don't kill us in life. They aren't that mean to us. What can a kid do to you? A lot of stuff. But can it do that bad of a thing? Can a kid do that bad of a thing? No. So why bother a kid? Like, kids are people, just like us. Yeah, we're humans, and humans are humans. And humans can be in different ways, different shapes, and different sizes, but still be human. Crazy, right? I think I should stop with the thing. Get in here. So this thing, they kind of like a Rubik's Cube. I mean, it's kind of like a Rubik's Cube. You can move it. It's electric. Look.
Welcome to the music variety to this Rubik Korean mode. 3, 2, 1, go!
So you gotta just turn it off by powering like this. Then you gotta get the pattern. Then get the pattern, you win. Boom. Then you got that turn off. So 2x2. 4x4. Pyramids. Random hexagon cube, which I don't know its name. I'll search it up on Google in a couple seconds. 3x3. Everybody should know this one. I think I'm just going to call it a hexaminx from now on. No, dang it. So these are all my cubes, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.